guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little itty bitty mini empties to go with you guys and just show you some of the products that I've used up. I literally have hardly anything in here, but I figured I would do it anyways. That way I can dedicate some of the time to actually talking about the products since there are so little. And I'm also going to be disclosing why I purchased it and if I would repurchase it again. So the first thing that I have is this Nivea Foaming Silk Mousse Body Wash. So I purchased this on Amazon and it was in a kit. If you've seen this makeup bag, that came along with this, an in-shower lotion, a body lotion, a chapstick that I found on Amazon on sale for like $15. So I got plenty of product for the money that I paid. And this, I feel like, is a fine body wash. It does the trick, but it did not wow me as far as moisturizing my skin. That I feel like it's like the Nivea Orange Cream body wash that I think you can buy at Dollar General is by far my favorite Nivea body wash. I absolutely love it. So this one I unfortunately enjoyed trying, but I definitely will never purchase ever again. The next product that I have is another body wash, is the Smartly Gentle Body Wash. Smells like summertime. So I purchased this body wash because when I was in St. Louis for my girls trip last fall, our Airbnb had the Smartly body wash in grapefruit, and I felt like it was definitely just nostalgic scent of a girls trip, and I wanted to try out the other scents because I really enjoyed the body wash. So when the grapefruit becomes available again, I definitely will be repurchasing that one. The summertime smell was okay, but I definitely would prefer the grapefruit. The next product that I have is very sad looking. It is the Clinique Rinse Off Foaming Cleanser Mousse. So this is a face wash that I actually found at a thrift store. It was in a plastic bag full of other products, and this one, when I opened it, still had the seal on it after I purchased it, so I definitely felt comfortable using it. Overall, I felt like it did okay cleansing my skin. It could have been for multiple reasons. It honestly could have been an old product, but it was a good deal because I think I literally paid like a couple bucks for it, and it retails probably at least for $20 to $30. So if I found it at the thrift store again with a seal on it, I would definitely repurchase it. But if I just went to Sephora or Ulta or Macy's to purchase this, I probably would not repurchase it just because of the price tag. Next I have, let me screw the top here so it doesn't leak, is the MONAT. It is the Replenish Mask. So if you've been on my channel for a super long time, I used to be a market partner with MONAT. Unfortunately, I did not make any income. However, I got tons of products at a discounted rate that I used for a very long time. I recently have been wanting to repurchase MONAT with wanting to grow my hair out. So this little guy I did purchase on eBay with a shampoo that came with a MONAT bag. And this is just the little travel size, so it didn't last me very long. I definitely use the Replenish Mask a little bit more than once a week, just because sometimes the leave-in conditioner doesn't always do the trick for me. I find that conditioner in general weighs down my fine thin hair, so I normally go in with just a shampoo and a leave-in conditioner, and sometimes I will use this just to give my hair an extra moisture that it needs. So the good old Replenish Mask, I definitely will be repurchasing. It's a product that I'm currently waiting to purchase just because I have tons of other hair care products in my hair care drawer that I need to go and use up first. But this definitely would be one that I would repurchase in the future. It's got a little bit of dust on here. So I have the Farmacy. It is the Do It All eye cream, the Total Eye Cream. And this, I believe, I received in either a FabFitFun box or a BoxyCharm box. I definitely did not use all of the product, but it has since expired. It has gone bad, but I did really enjoy using this product. When I was on my girls trip, I actually mixed this in with the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir Foundation, and it lasts all day, moisturized my skin so well. So I definitely have a special place in my heart for this product as well, just like that grapefruit body wash. I don't really use an eye cream very often, but I definitely would be interested in purchasing this in the future if I found it like on sale, or if there was a promotion going on, or if it kind of just plopped into my lap with maybe another subscription box in the future. But that is this Do It All Farmacy eye cream. And the very last product has a very, very special place in my heart for literally absolutely no reason. I just think it smells so good. The fragrance lasts in your hair all day. I don't actually know if the product actually works, but I love it just because of the smell. It smells so good. It makes me feel so classy, so bougie, and I absolutely love it. However, I have not repurchased it yet because a full-size can is like $40, and it is the Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. So like I said, this smells super good. The fragrance lasts in your hair all day long. The only thing is the price. I can't justify spending $40. But like I said, I do have a whole drawer full of hair care products that I do need to use up. But this is definitely something that I eventually will for sure repurchase. It's just a matter of when. I've honestly, this has been empty for a while. Yeah, there's nothing even in here. I've kept it for a really long time, even though it's been empty, just because of the fact that I do not want to forget about this product, because I want to repurchase it. So now I have it in this video, and now it can go bye-bye. It does not need to stay in my hair care drawer. But that is what I have for you guys. That is a very, very itty-bitty tiny Empties video. Is probably the smallest one that I've ever had. But I am very happy that I was able to dedicate some extra time into these products to kind of just like explain myself and go into a little bit more detail without making a 20 to 30 minute video. But that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. If you enjoy these smaller empties where I go in a little bit more into depth on the products, please give this video a like. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.